Alright, trying to get this bike to go out for a ride before it gets dark. It's almost sundown. Right out the gate, it won't start. So, pull off the seat to do the battery, charge it, and damn positive terminals are loose over here. So I tighten those up, tighten up the negative also. So number one problem with melting battery post on batteries is loose terminals. It melts the damn cables right off. So it's not getting spark for whatever reason, probably because the battery's too low. It barely turns the motor over, but we're charging up right now a little bit. So 5 amps is going in that battery right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge it up a little bit and come back and try to crank this thing over again. But like I said, you got to keep your battery posts tight. If you don't, you burn them off. So there you go. All right, it's getting dark out here. Let's see if this thing will start. Never know. Gotta wait till I get inside my door. All right, let's see what happens. I adjust the idle mixture speed, and I shut down the accelerator pump quite a bit. That's why I quit smoking when I get the throttle. Way too much mixture in there. Common problem. Pretty constipated sounding. Kills the power when it's that quiet, but oh well. Except when the lights ain't working either. Alright, we're going to test ride this. We'll do that.